Alright guys, again it's been a little while, but I've been pretty busy in my garage here. Been doing a lot of rearranging and building. So with that, I want to share with you what I just got done with here. My latest build here. It's a woodworking bench. First time I've built one. I've done ones where I had them up against the wall. But this one I can access from all four sides, so it was a first for me on this. And yeah, I know you guys will be like, well, it's not really a real wooden workbench or a woodworking workbench without a real top on it. Well, guys, it's what I had. Wood's expensive right now, so get over it. Anyway, let's just take a closer look. All right, so I'll talk some dimensions here. I got 4x4 post here. These are 2x6s. As you can see, I cut it out in the 4x post and put them right in there. It was the first time I did something like that, and overall it turned out good. As always, there's videos out there where you just see perfection, and yeah, that wasn't going to be happening here, but close enough. And I do like overall the way it turned out. Clean enough and very stable and solid. So all right, so the bench height with the, well, shall I say, without the top, the legs are 36.5 inches tall. If I had to do it over again, maybe I'd come down a couple inches, but next time, right guys? All right, so then as you can see, all right, I started out with just the stretchers on the side, and then on the ends here I had this, but it seemed like it needed a lot more bracing, or it could use a little bit more. So I ended up putting some right back up in here and in there too. And I also, here, let's take a look underneath here. So this is what I got going on. Once again, guys, it's kind of what I had laying around. I only made the trip when I absolutely had to go get some wood, mostly the 4x and the 2x6s, but even then, man, that wood's expensive out there. So this is what I got. Cross member in the middle, full 2x6. And for the vise, for bracing and support, just a 2x4 with this spacer on both ends, and then the other side, that's where it gets bolted up into. So there you go. And then this piece right here, look up at that. I just put that there because you can see I cut out from the 2x6 to make the vise fit, and it took away some of the structural rigidity, so went ahead and screwed that up there to kind of help it out a little bit. But all right, the length of this bench is 60 inches long. The width is 30 inches wide. So, and then as you can see, I got my clamps right here. I'm going to be making something for these clamps. Maybe not for these longer ones here, but for these shorter ones, I'm going to be doing something where it's a little bit easier to hang them, as opposed to I just got them clamped on there right now. But for now, it's gonna have to work. All right, and then as you can see, I have this Morgan Milwaukee woodworking vise. I've had this thing for at least 2 or 3 years, guys, and it's just been waiting for me to make a bench like this so I could install it and put it to use. It's the quick acting one. You can slide it like this, and there you go, tighten it up. So I'm looking forward to using it. It's the 10-inch one. I think they also sell a 7-inch one, but it's the 10-inch one. So, all right, that's about it for this bench. I think I gave you all the dimensions, and like I said, this is the first time I made a woodworking bench like this, and I'm hoping down the road I'll learn from this and I'll do a proper one where I have like a 2 or 3 inch top. But I'm gonna be waiting until wood gets cheap again. Who knows when that's gonna happen, but it's just, there's no way I'm gonna go all out with the price of wood the way it is right now. So, all right, take one last look. There you go. That angle and that angle. But, all right, with that, like, subscribe. I got more videos coming where I've done some other builds. I'm going to share those with you as well. But for right now, this is it. So with that, like the video, subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you guys later.